Certified Ravers presents Sounds of the Underground, the Pirate Sessions live stream part 2 at Basing House, Kingston Road, London E2 on Friday the 13th of March from 10pm to 4am. And we're celebrating Mr. Certi, aka Mr. Certified's birthday. In room 1, playing the best in underground house, Afro, tribal and Amapiano. Anton P, Pedro Pascal, Jimmy DaCosta, Married to House, Play, O1, Statics, MK, a live PA by Stilo, plus hosts, Johnny Cash, Darkman Zulu, Rodney B, MCDMA, NSE, Skeeto, Sly Boogie and Mr. Len. And upstairs, in room 2, the best in hip-hop, R&B, garage, bassman and funky house. Underground Ice, Shelly Sounds, Bobby Davis. If you missed the last one, you already know the energy we bring. If you didn't, this is your warning. Do not sleep on it. Early bird tickets are running low. And ladies, there's limited free tickets for you. Free entry before midnight only. No ID, no entry. For more info and updates, follow us on the socials, certified_ravers or Sounds of the Underground 118. It's an underground vibe.